See friends, in this video we are going to see total general awareness questions asked in SBI Clerk Mains. Red Cross Day, it is 8th May. Which country is not included in FMCG? I don't know exact answer, you can find it later. Along with which company CBSE has planned artificial intelligence system, that is CBSE plus Intel. Fourth one, after which sport person PV Sindhu won 2 consecutive Olympic medal for India. And fifth one, DEFA, they was asked for A stands for Deposit Educational and Awareness Fund, that is awareness. Sixth one, how many times the new CM of Puducherry has been appointed as CM, that is 4 times. Gender budget state, it is AP, Andhra Pradesh. One question related to Ganymede satellite of which planet? And ninth question, that is economic advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Earlier it is KV Subramanian is there, now it is Bipki Debroy. So second one is your correct answer. 10th one here, how many PSB homologated to 5 PSBs according to ease. And 11th one, India's rank in Global Hunter Index, it is 94. And Hemis National Park, it is Jammu Kashmir or it is in Ladakh. If option is Ladakh will be your answer. 13th question, Kailash Satyarthi got Nobel in which year? 2014. RBI penalty on inactive ATMs, that is up to 10,000. So Nobel Peace Prize regarding 2020 they asked one question. And recure is related to which sports means archery. And first city to have a drink from tap facility. So exact answer I don't know friends. And 18th one, top in that they asked for T stands for. So target Olympic podium. Okay, that is P stands for, that is podium. Nirvik is related to insurance and premium. Best ED tech according to times. And 21st question it is merchant stock stated by which organization. So 22 NASA related to one question they have asked. And 23rd name of airline by Rakesh Junjunwala, that is Akash Airlines. And highest motorable road in India, that is they have asked like height, that is 19,300. It is Kelpara, Ladakh. It is in Ladakh. Sivanadar resigned from HCL. Equitar Prize organized by UNDP and that guy who got that one given below that name. 27th question, stock by merchant stock by ICICI Bank, share of government in cigarettes. 29th question, gross enrollment ratio. And 30th question, deposit insurance credit guarantee corporation limit increase. Recently they increased the limit, that is how much? Earlier it is 1 lakh, now it is how much? So 31st question, Olympic 2020 slogan, that is faster, higher, stronger, together. 32 question, FMCG company and tie up with which company? So it is which? Zomato, faster moving goods one, that is Zomato, they have tied with FMCG, they have tied with Zomato. 33 question, that is RBI headquarter Mumbai, government stake in ITC, it is 7.93%. RIFT, this is almost 1.5 years back question, that is which state implemented means, that is Odisha. And 36th question, Indian men and women hockey is sponsored by, that is Odisha. Ola Tamil Nadu government, 37th question, Ola Tamil Nadu government both tied up with like $100 million with which bank means Bank of Baroda sponsored Tamil Nadu, that $100 billion. And 38th question, total number of PSBs merged as of today, that is total 13 numbers, but exact question I don't know friends. And 39th question, as per new guidelines revised by RBI, MSMEs should invest in dash sectors, that is PSL means priority sector lending. If you have still many questions with you, if you have answer you can drop me in comment column. These are the questions asked in first shift of SBI Clerk Mains. All the best to each and every one of you who performed well today's exam. God bless you friends. Take care. Bye friends.